Hello friends, let's make chicken noodles. So while our chicken noodles are getting boiled, let's start the step number 2. 3 teaspoons of cooking oil. Let's fry onions, ginger, garlic and chicken together. Some salt to taste and add some crushed red pepper, some oregano, some black pepper, and also add carrot, cabbage and green bell pepper, and also add some soy sauce. Now let's mix everything very good. Now let's cover and cook for 10 minutes. So our chicken and all the vegetables get cooked perfectly and noodles get perfectly boiled. So friends, our chicken noodles are ready. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and hello friends. Let's make chicken lasagna. We need 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 medium sized onion and 2 tablespoons of garlic and 1 shredded chicken breast. So after frying a little bit, let's add 1 medium size of tomato and 1 medium size of green bell pepper, some salt to taste and add some oregano and some black pepper. Now let's add 1 cup of tomato sauce. Now let's cover and cook for 10 minutes. And now let's make the white sauce. We need 2 spoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1.5 cup of milk, some salt to taste, some black pepper, delicious easy lasagna is ready. Keep smiling.